Daddy Ray Ray. Okay, nakanta po tayo ulit. Nakanta po natin ang kanta natin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Nakasan natin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, parang malaki. Ilang masahin lang ako.
Makinig ka.
Ilang masahin lang ako, pinapabasa.
Papapasahin ko pala.
Okay.
Ayan kay mother.
Pakinahan po muna.
Akin lang yan.
Hinahinaan po muna. Okay po. Ang sabi ni Daddy Ray Ray, happy birthday Adam. All I wish is good health. And finish your school and long life. More candles to blow. And always thank to God for all the blessings that He given to us. Happy birthday. Love, Daddy Ray Ray and Mama. Wala ko. Kasi.
Thank you ka.
Tagalog.
Thank you ka lang.